Hi, Mr. Lemaster here. Let's start with the question. Sojourner Truth makes an argument in her speech. What type of claim is she making? All right, so an argument is developed with claims and evidence and reasoning. So when it says she makes an argument, you need to understand that in the text there's going to be claims, or there's going to be some maybe information that makes a claim but doesn't directly state it. So there's a couple of words that we need to understand before we can even answer this question. First, false claim. That term doesn't really exist too much in argumentation. That's designed to trick you there. So false claim. Implicit claim is one that is made through information, but she doesn't directly state it in the text. So you can't actually put your finger on the claim. So that's an implicit claim. An explicit claim is when the author just comes out and makes a claim and you can identify it in the text. You can put your finger on it. You can say, yes, this is the line where the author, the author has made a claim, let's say. That is an explicit claim. And then there is such a thing as a subclaim. A subclaim are claims that are made that are related to the main or central claim, but they are lesser, or they are lower in their significance and or the central idea. It's not the central idea, but it's a part of the central idea. So imagine it being the central idea, and then there's a part underneath the central idea. That would be a subclaim. So what it's asking is, what type of claim is she making? Well, you can't say she's making a subclaim, because a subclaim implies that there's already a claim being made. So then what can you choose? Well, if false claim is not really a term at all, then you have implicit claim and explicit claim. Well, because she doesn't actually say her claim directly in the text, the closest she gets to it is this statement, "and ain't I a woman?" She says in paragraph 2, that man over there says that women need to be helped into carriages and lifted over ditches and have to have the best place everywhere. Nobody ever helps me into the carriage or over muddy puddles or gives me any best place. And she says, "Ain't I a woman?" So she's talking about how there is this difference not only between man and woman, but there's a difference between women, African-American women, and white women. So there's all of these differences in how people are viewed and how people are maybe like treated. And she doesn't really say that, though. She gives a lot of different examples. She gives that other example here where she talks about Eve, and then she says, if the first, oh yeah, sorry, not the allusion to Eve is down here, but then they talk about this thing in the head, what's this they call, and it talks about intellect, and it's like, can I just get some sort of portion of the rights or portion of the respect? And so she has an implicit claim. She actually doesn't really come out and argue a specific claim, even though she is arguing and she's making good points. So this is an implicit claim because it's not directly stated in the text.